Welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to solve Gmail all problem. So let's begin our video. So first of all, what should you do? You just need to open on your Play Store and now go to search bar and type for Gmail. So there you can see I open my Gmail, and you need to check out your Gmail is update or not. If it's not update, make sure it's update. After update your Gmail, then let's back, and now you need to open on your phone settings, and you need to find out apps or apps management option. I just find apps, open on it. Now go on manage apps. Now go to search bar and type Gmail, open on it. Now at the bottom right side there have a option clear data, select on it. Now select clear cache, then okay. So guys, after doing all, I hope your Gmail all problem already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.